How to add a token to your Trust Wallet app. First of all, what you need to do is open Trust Wallet on your device. Once you do that, you can see the screen. Go ahead and tap on the home screen on the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. Then tap on Manage Crypto as you're going to add a token to your Trust Wallet home screen. Go ahead and tap on Manage Crypto and you can see all of these cryptos. You can manually enter this, or else you can go to the search bar and search for any token. Let's suppose I'm searching for Tron. I'll just go ahead and enable this. So you can go back now, and as you can see, all of these tokens or cryptos has now been added to the Trust Wallet. You can directly tap on it. You can see all of the prices hike going up and down, and you can easily buy, receive, swap, transfer, or send the token as well. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.